Realme launched its new smartphone under Neo series in China called Realme Neo 7, with quite unique rear camera module. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Neo 7 features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution 8T LTPO OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 6000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, paired with Immortalis G720MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Realme Neo 7 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 80-watt smart flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.55 by 76.39 by 8.56 millimeters, and it weighs around 213 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Neo 7 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Starship Gray, Submersible Blue, and Meteorite Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Neo 7 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.